टिळकनगर शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ संचालित लोकमान्य गुरुकुल. Lesson number 1.3, Autobiography of a Great Indian Bustard. Children, in last 4 part of this lesson we have learned the different thing about the Great Indian Bustard. Now in this part we are going to solve the questionnaire part of our exercise. New words and their meaning. Pouch, pocket like space. Resonating, producing a loud, clear and deep sound. Predator, animal that hunt, like and eat other animals. Next, pointers. Now these are your exercise part which is given in your textbook. First, read the passage aloud, means this chapter you have to read by yourself. Question number 2, you are going to meet a Great Indian Bustard very soon. Prepare at least 10 questions to interview him. Now over here you have to assume that you are going to interview a Great Indian Bustard, and then you have to prepare 10 questions for interviewing him. Answer: hello, it is nice to meet you. Please answer few questions. Now see, whenever you are writing interview questions, like whenever you are preparing the questions for interview, only questions you have to write over there. No need of writing the answer at that point of time. So question number 1, what can you tell us about yourself? 2, where are you and your friends found in India? 3, when are you the most happiest? 4, why are your numbers on a decline across the globe? 5, which are the organizations which are supporting you in your struggle for survival? 6, how can the government play a role to help birds and animals on the verge of extinction? Next, whose initiatives have led to increase awareness about the plight of the Great Indian Bustard? How can media help you in creating awareness about the problem faced by you? What would you like the children to do to support you in order to survive? Do you have any message for human beings? Now, whenever you are writing interview question, this last question, do you have any message for human being, it is remains same. Now over here, because we are interviewing bird over here, that is why we are asking human being, but the last question will always remain same in every interview question, that is, do you have any message for children, or do you have any message for your listeners, like this. Okay, next, play the role of an interviewer and a Great Indian Bustard and write the interview. Now this you have to write by your own, as in the previous question we have written the questions for taking the interview of Great Indian Bustard. Here you have to write down the answers also given by the Great Indian Bustard, like how you will write. First, interviewer, you will write the question asked by interviewer, then you will write Great Indian Bustard and answer for that question given by Great Indian Bustard. And in the starting, as it is written in previous question, hello, I am going to take your interview, that introduction part you have to write first. Question number 4, write a letter to your friend about the Great Indian Bustard. You may use the following points. Now here you have to write a letter to your friend about discussing the Great Indian Bustard, and there are 2 points which you can use for your letter, that is, why we need to protect the bird, what is the need to protect Great Indian Bustard, and what you plan to do to help the bird, and what are your plans, how you are going to help that bird, that you have to write down in your letter. Next, form pair and decide whether the following statement are those of Great Indian Bustard or not. Here 3 columns are given. In first column there are few statements, second and third columns you have to tick whether if that statement is made by Great Indian Bustard, so in that column you have to put the tick mark. If it is not by Great Indian Bustard, then you have to put the tick mark on the some other bird column. So first statement, I am the heaviest flying bird in India. Yes, it is said by Great Indian Bustard. So write, I am known as Mardhok or Hum in Marathi. Yes, right. I live in mountainous region. No, it is not said by Great Indian Bustard, so the right tick will come in some other bird. I don't like grasshoppers or beetles. Again, this is said by some other bird. We don't believe in building nest. It is said by Great Indian Bustard. Our chick stays with the mother for a period of nearly 1 year. It is again said by Great Indian Bustard. I am the state bird of Maharashtra. No, it is not said by him. So it is said by some other bird. We have been pushed away from more than 90% of our home region. It is said by Great Indian Bustard. Now next, question number 7. Prepare a poster on the need for the conservation of the Great Indian Bustard. Now, what is the need to save the Great Indian Bustard? For that we have to prepare one. The need to save the bird, the Great Indian Bustard. For that we have to prepare the poster. Now here I have given you the poster. If you want, you can take an idea from this and you can make your own also. Next, write a short autobiography of any bird or animal of your choice. Here you have to write down the short autobiography of any bird of your choice, bird or animal. So here one answer is given by me. We'll read that. Hello friends, I reside in dense jungle. I love rains and I express my joy by dancing in the rain. People say watching me dance is indeed a beautiful sight. Yes, I am a peacock. I long to fly in the high blue sky like the pigeon. I wish I could fly above the clouds and beyond. Alas, it is not possible. But I count my blessings. My beauty and the fact that I am the national bird of India gives me reason to rejoice and celebrate. Next time you see a graceful bird with a bright shining tail dancing to its heart's content in the rainy season, you can be rest assured it's me. I have a humble request. Please preserve and protect us. Many of us, my fellow beings, are on the verge of extinction. Please save us, else we will soon become a part of history. Remember, harmony between man and wildlife is the only way to solve all the problems faced by the world. Come together, let us coexist. Next question. Language study. Identify the following from the list given in the box below. Now here box is given. From that box you have to identify 4 noun, 4 verb, 4 adjective, 4 adverb and 4 pronouns. So this is what? This is parts of speech that we have already solved in our grammar lesson number 2. So answer is given over here. Nouns: bird, friend, human, grassland. Verb: gather, help, protect, arrive. Adjective: wonderful, healthy, happy, afraid. Adverb: directly, together, away, slowly. Pronoun: we, I, you, us. So now children, after the question number 8, directly question number 12 I have given over here. So question number 9, 10 and 11 you have to do by yourself. So I hope children you understood the lesson and the question answer part. This you have to write down in your notebook. If you have any doubt in this chapter, you can ask me. Thank you.